Having the right 3D printer can completely change your model making experience. So that's why in this video I'm going to break down the top 3 best budget 3D printers so that you'll never have to suffer through layer shifting and warped form again. Now the issue is that a 3D printer, it might work great for one person, but it just might not be the best for you. That's only because most 3D printers are not made with the same people in mind. So that's why I made sure to include options for really all types of situations. Regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect 3D printer for you. And please keep in mind that all the links to find the best prices on all of the printers I'll be mentioning in this video will be in the description below. First, I have the ELEGOO Mars 4. The ELEGOO Mars 4 really impresses as a fantastic budget 3D printer, offering 18 micrometer XY resolution, 7-inch 9K mono LCD, COB light source, user-friendly UI, and a laser-carved surface build plate. The Mars 4 has a 7-inch 9K mono LCD that has a fantastic 8520 by 4320 resolution. Coupled with the 18 micrometer XY resolution, the Mars 4 allows you to print crisp and intricate models with incredible detail. Now, it also has a large build volume that provides enough space for intricate daily creations, and that's without compromising printing quality. It's a great quality given the affordability of the Mars 4. Now, the Mars 4 uses a powerful COB light source that exposes the beam of 45 nanometer wavelength across the entire LCD. This helps to ensure that your prints are consistent and accurate. With a laser-carved surface build plate, the Mars 4 provides excellent adhesion to help make sure that the models stick to the build plate during printing. It's a great addition for such an affordable 3D printer as it helps to improve the printing success rate. Plus, it also has a user-friendly UI through its 3.5 touchscreen that comes with a real-time progress bar and model preview function. It helps you to monitor the printing process and make adjustments as needed. The ELEGOO Mars 4 features a COB light source, laser-carved surface build plate, 3.5-inch touchscreen, user-friendly UI, 7-inch 9K mono LCD, and 18 micrometer XY resolution. If you're looking for an affordable 3D printer that has incredible printing quality and a user-friendly interface, the Mars 4 might just be the best fit for you. Next, I have the Creality Ender 3. And this is my choice for the best budget 3D printer for most people. The Creality Ender 3 really stands out as an excellent budget 3D printer. This thing features a large build volume, advanced extruder technology, sturdy construction, user-friendly interface, resume printing function, and a safety-protected power supply. The Ender 3 has an impressive resolution and large building plate that allows for a fantastic space of your models and creations. It has advanced extruder technology that helps to greatly reduce plugging risk and bad extrusion. The V-shape with POM wheels helps to make it smooth and noiseless as it builds your creations. The Ender 3 is fantastic for beginners and tech enthusiasts alike because it has its user-friendly setup and interface. It also comes with several assembled parts that take only 2 hours to assemble. It's a great addition for those who are worried about assembly being complicated and take days to build. With resume printing function, the Ender 3 has the ability to pause and resume printing. This is great for those who experience power outages or when a lapse occurs during the printing process. Plus, it has a safety-protected power supply that only needs 5 minutes for the hotbed to reach 100 degrees. The Creality Ender 3 is a fantastic budget 3D printer that combines user-friendly interface, intuitive assembly, resume printing function, safety-protected power supply, and advanced extruder technology. So for those who are looking for a powerful, affordable 3D printer that can help you bring your creativity to life, the Ender 3 might just be the right option for you. Next, I have the Monoprice Voxel, and this is my choice for the best overall budget 3D printer. The Monoprice Voxel is a standout budget 3D printer, and that's thanks to its user-friendly design, reliable performance, sturdy build, quick change nozzle, auto-leveling technology, auto-feeding of the filament, and a removable flexible build plate. The Voxel has an incredible durable build and sturdy construction, that's despite its affordable price. It has a removable and flexible build plate that makes removing models an absolute breeze. And all you have to do is remove the plate and bend it to dislodge the printed model. Plus, it can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius, which is great for a budget-friendly printer. With a quick change nozzle, the Voxel allows you to change the nozzle in seconds without needing other tools or a long time to get a proper nozzle in place. Not to mention, the Voxel comes completely built, so there is no need to worry about assembling a massive 3D printer. Now with auto leveling, you can easily adjust the distance between the nozzle and the bed through the touchscreen interface. It also has auto feeding through the filament sensor, which makes it incredibly user-friendly to load in the filament. With a built-in sensor, the Voxel recognizes when there are low filament levels and will pause the prints in progress until the new filament is reloaded. The Monoprice Voxel offers an affordable price, durable and sturdy construction, removable and flexible build plate, quick change nozzle, pre-built construction, auto leveling technology, and auto feeding for the filament. So if you're looking for a high-quality 3D printer that does not compromise on affordability, the Voxel might just be the best choice for you.